I'm Miss Short, and I will be your instructor for this course. In Lifetime Fitness, we will be talking about all-around health and how you can use fitness and become fit for life. So in this class, you will be required to do some physical activity, but you are not required to go out and get a gym membership or anything like that. You are always welcome to go out and find classes, but that is never a requirement. Most of the stuff is videos that I give to you, and you can do them in the comfort of your home. I have been teaching at JVA for 4 years now. I love teaching online. It is super cool. It's definitely different, but it's something that I have become very passionate about and super exciting. So I look forward to working with all of you guys this semester. So let's get into the course. This is the course. The updates page is where it will take you when you click on the course. So right now there's only one update, but every week on Monday I will post a new update. Sometimes I'll post more updates, but usually it will only be on Mondays. But if I find something really cool that I want to share with you guys, I will post a new update. So on Monday, when I post the update, I will post which week it is with a link to the content for that week. So if you click on the week name, it will take you directly for the content to the content for that week. Under upcoming, this is where all of your assignments live, and it tells you what day they are due. Not all assignments are due on Sunday. Most are due on Sunday, but sometimes there are assignments that will be due in the middle of the week, so make sure you look at that. Discussions are always due on Sunday, but you need to post by Wednesday your original post so people have a chance to reply to you. So make sure you're posting in discussions by Wednesday, and then you can reply to everybody by Sunday. So make sure you post in the intro discussion today so people have a chance to reply to you by Sunday. And then if you don't want to click in to get into the content on the week in the update, you can click on the materials tab. So that will take you here to the materials. The course info is just an explanation of the course. There's the syllabus. Also, there's the JVA website. If you are a full-time JVA student, or if you're not a full-time JVA student, there's some cool stuff in the JVA website, the Otter News, and some other things if you ever need that. If you need tech help, there's tech help in the JVA website as well. So I got married over the summer. My maiden name is still my email address, so El Machado is still my email address, but my name is Miss Shore. My phone number is here as well. This video will be right in this folder as well. This is a nice little infographic if you ever get confused with the attendance policy. Our attendance policy has changed if you've taken a JVA class before or if you are new to online. We only take attendance once a week on Thursdays. So when we take attendance, we look at if you have either a 70% or higher, you are marked present. If you do not have a 70% but have completed at least 2 assignments in the class, then you are marked present. If you have not completed 2 assignments and have below a 70%, then you are marked absent. So make sure you are regularly logging in and completing your assignments so you can stay above that 70%, so you are marked present. So if you are marked absent, then you are marked absent for the 5 previous days, since we only take attendance 1 day a week. So make sure you are logging in and getting those assignments done. I have a past units folder. If you are looking for those late assignments or you missed a week or something, it's in the past units folder usually, unless we haven't finished that unit. So there's usually 3 or 4 weeks in a unit. So if you've only missed a week, look in the unit folder first. If you've missed a whole lot of weeks, then it might be in the past units folder. Each unit will be here until it's finished, and then it goes in the past units folders. So currently we are on Unit 1. Each week will be in the unit folder, so we are on week 0 right now, and then next week will be week 1, since this is a short week. And when you are finished watching this video, you can click on the week 0 and get started. I look forward to working with all of you this semester.